Today we're going to talk about making these like little wooden carving tools or like pointing tools. These are good things to have on your pottery to draw your designs and stuff like that. If you have some clay, which I have here, and you want to do some designs on them, you got to be able to draw into something. Maybe you have a shape, basic idea. I can even use this tool, kind of carve and remove some clay if I need to. I got a little bit of stuff like that. This is good for like a rough drawing or idea or marking onto your piece. And then you even have a back side here, this flat side. If I have to put two pieces together in like a score and slip and blend them together here, kind of joins them together so they're well to go. And that allows it to do that. I made a little flat side to this as well. All I'm really using was sandpaper and stuff like that. You can make these tools, make it very simply. I mean, this Neat tool's great, but I don't have a whole lot of them, and well, I'm just not gonna pass them out right now until we get back into class. So these will kind of work the same idea. If you have, like I said earlier, if you need an X-Acto knife for cutting, I recommend getting one of those, stuff like that as well. But here are some chopsticks I picked up from good old Panda. I was at lunch the other day, and I have a couple of these. I picked up a couple extra sets, so I'm good to go on this one here. First thing I'm gonna do is I take some sandpaper if I don't have a pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener makes this really a lot easier. But if you don't have a pencil sharpener, you can just kind of go along with kind of some rough sandpaper and get this to a nice point. That's all I'm doing there. I have it to a nice little point there that I can use to get in the work. Then I take the back side of it here. See, there's the front, sorry. There's the front side, and the back side's still kind of flat piece. So I'm gonna take it, go one direction, and flip it around, and do the other direction. So there's a nice little edge like that on to my things. There's a nice little flat side. It's a little bit more. And this gives me something to help blend with and smooth with and stuff like that. If you have a pencil sharpener, life gets a little bit easier with this. Just put it in. Gets a nice little edge that way. And all I gotta do is take the back side here and begin and now I have two more of these tools ready to go and ready for me to use. All I need was sandpaper and a couple of sticks, and you can pretty much make them. If another thing you can use, they're not quite as good though, you can use barbecue skewers. These are just a little bit thicker. Like I said, these are great for if you have to sign something, put a little design in, kind of help enhance it, or kind of lay something out before I start carving and removing clay. These work really well for that.